chapter, we will study about Microsoft Excel 2019. What it is? First of all, I will tell you in this chapter about Microsoft Excel, then how to start Microsoft Excel, and then data types, how to enter data in the worksheet. We have worksheet in it, in which we enter data, and then moving around the worksheet, creating new document, performing different calculation, and working with worksheet, saving workbook. You have to save the workbook, how you will save it. Then closing a workbook, opening an existing workbook, right? Now, what is Microsoft Excel? It is a spreadsheet editor developed by Microsoft for Windows, Macs, Android, iOS, and iPads. It is a spreadsheet software which helps us to store, organize, and analyze information. By which, what we can do, we can store, organize, and analyze information. We can perform simple to complex mathematical calculation. हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Simple से complex mathematical calculation को हम use कर सकते हैं using data formulas. We can also represent data in the form of charts. अगर आप चाहते हैं तो आप अपने डाटा को किस फॉर्म में, चार्ट्स के फॉर्म में भी रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. Right? There are so many software used to perform calculation like Microsoft Excel, OpenOffice, Calc, but the most common and user-friendly software used to perform calculation is MS Excel. जो सबसे यूजर फ्रेंडली आपका सॉफ्टवेयर है वो आपका MS Excel है. Right? Now let's study how to start. If you want to start Microsoft Excel, how you will start it? So first of all, we have to follow some steps. I will tell you one by one all the steps. First is click on the start button, click on the Excel. When we open Excel 2019, Excel start screen. जो Excel की स्क्रीन है वो आपको कहाँ दिखेगी? वो आपके स्क्रीन पे अपीयर हो. Right click on the blank workbook like this. The blank workbook will open. Now I will tell you about the components. This is the blank workbook. Now let's talk about the different component. This is the name box. Here this is a cell pointer. It's in green color. So it's in green color. It is a cell pointer. These are the row headings. What we call them? Row heading. This is your cell range. Range C1 to C. This is your formula bar. Right. This is your tab. This is your title bar. This is your dialog box launcher, right? What we call it, this complete is ribbon, and this is your collapse the ribbon button when you want to collapse, and this is your scroll bar from where you can scroll your worksheet, right? So let's study about the different components in broad way. So first is your title bar. So title bar, it is located where? It is located top of the window. What it display? The name of the workbook. जो आपके workbook है उसका name को display करता है, in which we are currently working. Right side of the title bar contain Microsoft Excel help, ribbon display option, minimize, restore, maximize, and close button. Then next we have quick access toolbar. So it gives us quick access to commands we use often. By default it includes save, undo, redo command. यहाँ पे आपको save का command नहीं मिलेगा, undo का भी command नहीं मिलेगा और redo का भी command. Right? Next we have ribbon. Ribbon, it contains commands required to perform various tasks like formatting, sorting, etc. यहाँ पे आपको नंबर ऑफ टैब्स देखने को मिलेंगे लाइक फाइल हो गया, होम, इंसर्ट, लेआउट, फॉर्मूला, डाटा, रिव्यू, व्यू एंड हेल्प, राइट? सो ईच इज डिवाइडेड इन टू ग्रुप्स. ईच ग्रुप्स कंसिस्ट ऑफ मेनी कमांड्स. यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे कमांड्स देखने को मिलेंगे. Next is collapse the ribbon button. Now you want to collapse the ribbon button. So for that we can collapse the ribbon if we need to see more of the document we are creating. To collapse the ribbon, you have to click the arrow at the bottom right. And when we click on this button, जैसे ही आप इस बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे, what will happen? It will minimize the ribbon. जो आपका ribbon है वो क्या हो जाएगा? Minimize हो जाएगा. Next is dialog box launcher. It is a small arrow which we will see at the bottom right corner. So this is a clicking on this arrow will open a dialog box in which we would see more commands available. आप देखेंगे कि बहुत सारे commands उसमें available होंगे, right? Then we have worksheet. It is a work area made up of rows and columns where we enter and work with data. When we save an Excel worksheet, we are actually saving a workbook. जैसे आप Excel की worksheet को save करोगे, इसका मतलब ये है कि आपने जो आपकी actual workbook है उसको भी आप save कर. Now workbook, it is a collection of multiple worksheet which is stored under a single file. ये multiple worksheet होती है जो आपके एक single file में क्या होती है? Stored होती है. Then we have row. Arrangement of cell in the horizontal direction. Each row on worksheet is identified using numbers. So numbers, the rows are number from, जो आपकी rows हैं उनको हम number करते हैं from top to bottom और किस order में ascending order which is starting from 1 2 3, right? So let's we have column, it is the arrangement of cells in a vertical direction. So आप देखेंगे हम हर एक कॉलम को एक यूनिक लेवल से आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं एंड द कॉलम्स आर लेबल्ड एज ए बी सी एक्स वाई जेड, right? Then we have formula bar. It display the contents. What are the contents of current cell? ये उसको display करता है, right? यहाँ पे दो बटन होते हैं, एक एंटर बटन और एक कैंसिल बटन. So for enter button will work like enter key और cancel button will work like with the things which we use to cancel the entry. Then we have cell. It is a basic unit of worksheet. ये एक बेसिक यूनिट होती है वर्कशीट की. इट इज फॉर्म बाय द इंसर्शन ऑफ रो एंड कॉलम. जब रोज और कॉलम का इंसर्शन होता है इसका वहां पे यूज करा जाता है. सेल एड्रेस, एवरी सेल इन अ वर्कशीट इज आइडेंटिफाई यूजिंग द एड्रेस दैट करस्पॉन्ड टू द कॉलम लेटर एंड रो नंबर. सो सेल एड्रेस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज सेल रेफरेंस. इसको हम सेल रेफरेंस भी बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज नेम बॉक्स. इट डिस्प्ले सेल एड्रेस और नेम गिवन टू अ सेल. सेल पॉइंटर, इट इज अ हाईलाइट. आप देखेंगे कि जो बॉर्डर होता है सेल का वो हाईलाइटेड होता है ग्रीन कलर में, जैसे मैंने आपको अभी शो भी करा था. रेंज ऑफ सेल, ग्रुप ऑफ सेल एडजेसेंट टू ईच अदर फॉर्मिंग अ रेक्टेंगुलर शेप. एक ही क्या फॉर्म करता है, एक रेक्टेंगुलर शेप फॉर्म करता है. नेक्स्ट इज वर्क टैब. इन एक्सेल बाय डिफॉल्ट शोज वन शीट एज इट्स टैब बाय द डिफॉल्ट नेम sheet 1. Next we have scroll bar. The scroll bar appears only when we have data more than the screen can display at once. There are two scroll bar. Vertical scroll bar जो आपका right side प्लाई करता है, horizontal जो आपके left में, मतलब at the bottom you will see it, right? So let's study about the status bar. It is present at the bottom of the window. First is worksheet view option. We have three worksheet view. We have normal view, page layout view and page break view. So first is normal view. By default a worksheet opens in normal view. This view show you all the rows and column. जितने भी rows और column है worksheet में वो आपको ये show करते हैं. Then we have page layout view which divided worksheet into pages. Then page break view. It gives us the overview of the worksheet which page breaks and tells us how many printed page will be required to hold the data. And you can adjust it. You can increase it or you can decrease the number of pages, right? Then we have zoom control. When we have zoom control, we can drag the slider left or right or to decrease or increase the zoom. So what we can do, the number of right of the slider reflect the zoom percentage. ये कितने उसकी percentage है, right? Data type, we can enter three types of data in Excel worksheet. They are number, text, formula. So let's study about the number. The value that contains numeral from 0 to 9 and characters like plus, minus, multiply, divide, percentage. They are numeric data and they can be used for calculation. उनको हम calculation के लिए use करते हैं. Then we have text, the data that consists of letters, numbers, spaces and special characters. और इनका हम calculation में use नहीं करते हैं, right? Next is formulas which includes values. इसमें आपके operators होते हैं और cell address होते हैं which is used to perform different calculation. Now entering data in the worksheet. So you have to click on the cell where you want to enter the data. जहाँ पे भी आपको डाटा को एंटर करना है आप वहाँ पे जाके उस सेल को क्लिक करें. You will type the data and click on enter at the bottom of the formula bar or you will press enter key to accept the entry. Next is moving around in a worksheet. So for moving around, up of the current cell, this is down of the current cell, left of the current cell, this is your right of the current cell. Now next cell in a row, previous cell in a row, step plus step, one cell down in a row, first cell in a row, home, right? First cell in the worksheet, control plus one. Now if you want last use cell in the worksheet, then you will use control plus end. One screen up, one screen down, page down, one screen left, alt plus page down, and one screen right, alt plus page up. Next is now creating a new document. You will click on the file tab, the backstage view will appear. Select a new option, click on blank workbook. आप किस पे click करेंगे? Blank workbook. So for that, you can see like this, a new blank workbook will appear on the screen. Next is autofill. Now you want to autofill. जो ऑटो फिल फीचर होता है एक्सेल का, वो आपको अलाउ करता है कि सो दैट यू कैन क्विकली क्रिएट अ सीरीज ऑफ नंबर्स, dates or other items. Now we can generate a series by two ways. We are using fill handle or by using fill option. So using fill handle, it is a small black square that appears when we place the mouse pointer on the lower right corner of the select Excel. So we point to the fill handle. The cursor जो कि जो cursor की shape होती है वो क्या हो जाती है, change हो जाती है. So to generate a series using fill handle, what you will do? For that you have to specify the initial value. कि जो initial value है series की वो क्या है. Now you will drag the fill handle across the cell you want to fill. So these types of series are predefined series which include Sunday, Monday, January, February, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so. So we can also fill the cell using underdefined series and user defined series include 5, 10, 15 और 3, 5, 7 या फिर जनवरी, अप्रैल, जुलाई, ये आपकी क्या होती है, प्री डिफाइंड सीरीज होती है. Now to generate any user defined series, now you want to generate user defined series, how you will generate it? So for that, specify the first two consecutive values of the series, right? And drag the fill handle across the cell. Excel will pick up the pattern from the values enter, right? It will automatically take it out and it will generate it. Now using the fill option. To generate a series using fill option, follow these steps. First is specify the initial value of the series. Select the range of cell to be filled. Click on the arrow next to the fill option in the editing group on the home tab. Now select the series option from drop down list. Right, the series dialog box appear. Now you will mention the step value and stop value as per your requirement in the dialog box. And you will click OK button. Right. Now performing calculation. Now we want to perform different calculations. So for that what you will do, we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division using formulas or function. The result of the calculation is displayed in the cell where the formula is at. Now this type of data will be shown and different formulas you can enter and drag the fill handle across the cell you want to fill. Right? Now working with worksheet. Now if you want to work with a worksheet, when we open a new Excel workbook, 3 worksheets are added by default. We can add more worksheet to the workbook or delete worksheet that are no longer. उन worksheet को आप delete भी कर सकते हैं जिनके अब आपको जरूरत नहीं. Now renaming. You have made a worksheet, now you want to rename it. So for that, what you will do, first of all, you will double click on the name of the worksheet of the workbook tab. Type a new name and press enter key. Right? Now adding new worksheet. आपको कोई नई वर्कशीट को ऐड करना है. So for that, to add new worksheet at the end of the existing worksheet, we click on the new sheet button which is present at the end of the worksheet tab. And the new sheet will be inserted at the end of the existing one. Now to add new worksheet between, अब कोई existing worksheet है उसके बीच में आपको कोई मतलब आपको sheet बढ़ानी है. So for that, select the worksheet before you want to insert a new worksheet. Click on the arrow next to the insert option in the cell group. Right, choose the insert sheet option और आप insert sheet option को भी यहाँ पे choose करोगे. Right. So next is for removing a worksheet. Now we want to remove the worksheet. So for that, place the mouse pointer to the worksheet. जो भी आपको डिलीट करनी है आप उस पर लेके जाएंगे. Then afterward, click the arrow next to delete option of the cell group, home tab. A drop down list will be displayed. So what you will choose the delete sheet option and the selected worksheet will be deleted. जो भी आपकी selected worksheet है वो अपने आप क्या हो जाएगी, delete हो जाएगी. Right? Now we want to save our workbook. We have worked on it. Now we want it to be saved for the future use. So how you will save it? So for that you will click on the File tab, click on Save option. Select this PC option, click on the Browse button. The Save As dialog box will appear, right? So then type the file name and click on Save. जैसे आप फाइल का नेम टाइप करोगे उसके बाद आप सेव बटन पे जाएंगे. Then the worksheet will be saved. Now closing a workbook, click on the File tab, right? Click on the Close option and then workbook will be closed. But जो Excel की जो एप्लीकेशन होगी विंडो की वो रिमेन क्या रहेगी, ओपन रहेगी. So Excel 2019 will ask to save changes. If there are changes and it has not been changed and you want to save it, then you will go to the saved option. Now we have saved it. Now you want to open it. So for that, you want to open and access the workbook. So for that, what you will do, you will click on the file tab. The backstage view will appear. Select the open option, select this PC option, click on browse button, select the workbook, and then you click on open button and your file will be opened over. Right? This was all about the Excel chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.